Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
We got a 2019 QX80 Infiniti. What happened is they left this car in full bricks, stole the rims and the tires. We added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to hit lock on the factory remote. This kit is integrated with the factory alarm. There's no need to install a full-blown alarm and have to carry another remote control around. Once you arm the system, you always got to wait for that little lock from factory. It's up in the dash, but it's already flashing, so it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and normally what they do, if you see on the bottom of the video, they stick a smaller socket here and then they hammer it in by pressure and retreat the lock nut locks out. That's going to be great. If we always recommend folks go ahead and buy 2 or 3 per tire. The more you put on, the more banging they got to do to remove those rims, and my kid's going to love you for that, because the banging, the more the merrier. That's what the shock sensor detects, a lot of impact towards the vehicle. Not to mention when the car falls in the bricks, that should be more than enough too. But I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. That stops the factory alarm. Just hit unlock. Okay, so yeah, just get yourself a few lug nut locks, add this kit to your factory alarm system, and that should be enough there. That should cover your rims and tire theft. Of course, if they try to bust out the keyhole, it's going to fire off the alarm as well. We'll do that right now. I always tell my customers not to keep the lug nut lock keys inside the glove box. Hide them, because they will break your window and they try to search for those in the glove box. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the keyhole right now. That will fire off the alarm. Then of course it protects all your glass around the whole car. This kit has no effect on preventing your remote start. Everything should still work. Your remote start should be in working order. I'm going to go ahead and show you that in a second. Actually, I will go ahead and bang on the window first. Get that out of the way. Waiting for that little lock here from factory to start flashing. Okay, I'll go ahead and bang on the window. Show you guys the remote start. The kit has no effect in preventing the remote start from not working. Okay, car's running by remote control. To stop it, just hit unlock. That's from factory. We didn't install remote. We did not install the remote start.